I found myself at the goat farm because it is very different from your everyday apartment. I like that it has a playful tone to it, but still very much refined.
Right away when we stepped on the patio, we're like, oh, this is so cool. You know, you see all the old brick and the vines that climb up the walls.
We feel connected to the goat farm's past, present, and future.
Living at the goat farm has been for me a life-changing experience. Having a place that has an art collection and enjoying every detail is so lovely.
I think the goat farm really helped me find a place I was able to really flourish in a certain way.
I'm a nurse, so I'm very more science. My parents are architects, so being able to be connected to the artist community made me feel more at home.
A portion of my rent goes directly back into funding arts programming. And the best part is it's right outside my door.
Nothing like this exists in Atlanta. I don't know that things like this exist anywhere else in the country.